Hey Pimps and Simps, it's me, LT, and welcome back to another video.
Sorry I missed your call, I was on the jet. I've been so zoned out, trying to figure out what's next.
But I'm outside with Go-Go. Taking her to pee. Go-Go. Good morning.
Get some help.
Hi guys, so it is Thursday. I'm actually going to Meech's house right now. My nail tech. This is the before, what they look like. Here's the inspo picture right here. Okay guys, I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take you.
Okay guys, so I just got out of Big Meech's house. I know I look tragic right now. Guys, oh, I never get them. Meech snapped. I got my drink. The lady in the Starbucks was so cute. Girl always just be so late to work. Girl, people cannot drive. And I'm going to work right now and we're racing to get there on time. But these are what my nails look like. They're so cute. Thank you, Big Meech. Like, love her. As always, when I talk to y'all about my nails, she'll be tagged down below. Yeah, but I'm gonna head to work.
Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
You did it backwards at all?
Yes.
Did you use the wrong ones?
This part needs to be over here.
Why does it matter?
Because you see how there's these little, this thing, it's a shelf.
Oh. It's an unscrolling, baby.
See someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish you away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you well.
Hi vlog. I'm not sitting, obviously. I'm sitting in the car. Gonna skate for a little bit. I'm probably gonna end my vlog here, honestly. I don't really think that I'm doing anything else today, and I need to get it edited and uploaded for tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave comments and stuff down below, like what videos y'all want to see and stuff like that. If you want to stalk and stick around, I will have all my social media linked in the bio as well as linked right here. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and I will see y'all in another video. Bye guys.